All right, friends, we made it to the 3-year review of this Burrow Sectional. And, what can I say? A lot of people like the follow-ups of doing the yearly reviews just because, how a couch ages over time is super important. You don't want to spend $2,700 or $2,000 or $1,000 and have a trash couch at the end of the year. So I know some people who have couches for decades. My parents had this blue couch. Do they still have that couch? I think they still have that couch that I grew up on. And so it's got to be at least 20 years old. But they still have it upstairs and whatever. So yeah, a couch that lasts a long time is a good investment. So this couch right here, this is year 3.5. I posted my last video in March of last year. And what can I say? We still have it. It's still going strong. And yeah, it's good. Let me shoot you. Let me show you how it looks, and then give you some more information. So it looks great still. I think the last time we washed this was a few weeks ago, but we had gone like, I don't even know, 6-8 months, maybe even longer without washing it, and it was fine. My kids, so I have 2 boys, they're like 3 and 5 now, and 2 dogs. One actually passed away a few months ago, but one of them still hangs out on here, and my boys and I wrestle on here, and we're constantly wrestling on here. Like, if you were to do a scale of 1 to 10, how much we use this couch, it would definitely be a 10. How rough do we play on it? We wrestle on it pretty much every night. We watch TV on it, we play on it. My kids were literally jumping on it this morning from this guy to over there. So yeah, it's just like constant chaos. If you have boys, the comfort of the couch is still comfy. Like, I can just still chill back here like this. I watch TV on here pretty much every night. Just sit here. Sometimes I lay down. Sometimes I lay up here in the corner. And it's good. And I'm close to 6 feet tall. Don't come at me, boys. I'm close to 6 feet tall, and it fits me well. My wife is 5'4", 5'2", I can never remember. She's short. She sits on it well. She hangs out on it too. She usually watches TV upstairs, but we both really like it. We both use it all the time. And so I think it's definitely worth the money, whatever it's priced at now. I saw today that it was on sale. It might be on sale for Labor Day, but I don't know when you're watching this, so check it out. We have this sectional, which obviously gets more expensive as you add more stuff on. We have the footrest here. And we have the extender. Actually, the extender thing is back here. We wrestle on it sometimes. This is the big footrest that goes like, so you can transform this guy. And there's Velcro on the bottom. Wait, what does this go on? Oh, it's in the garage. So we have another one of these. That's just the bottom of it. And so you put it here like this. I forgot that thing was in the garage. And do it like that. So that's the wrong one. So don't be confused. But here's a better shot of it. So you can like lay out. So we have that, but we don't use it just because the way that our living room is set up. So we have. I guess it's actually not too bad. But when you have this out, you feel like you have to like lay on it, and you don't necessarily always want to like lay down, So. That's pretty much why we aren't using that. So that's a little information there. I would definitely suggest, I would recommend all this. I would give you money to buy it. That doesn't really make sense. Well, it does, because I have a code that you can use to buy one and you get a discount. So use that code. This video isn't sponsored. I wish it was. But if you want to check out my year 2 and year 1 review, I go over a little bit more details on like the squishiness of the couch, the way that it sits, the style of it. So go check out, the second year one, how well it cleans and how we clean it. But I don't want to be repetitive and, be giving you the same information over and over again. So the highlight is, yes, it's a good couch. I love it and I use it. Now, I did want to go over one other thing, which is, you see that chair right there? Yes, sir. That chair's fire, but we just got it. And this isn't Burrow. This is something on Amazon. But we actually got it because we're trying to sell our house soon, and we wanted this for the staging, and it was pretty cheap on Amazon. So you can see, without all the trash in the background. Here, let's get this down for you. See, look at that. Nice little sitting. We never had like a chair like this. But yeah, it was affordable. It looks good. And I would definitely recommend this as well. You can check out my video here on this chair, in general, how to transform your living room into looking nice and simple and modern, and matching it up. And yeah, check out that video. The link to the chair is in the bio. The discount for the couch is in the bio. And check out some of my shirts, my DIY good work shirts. They're pretty sick. They're comfortable. They're great for any builders. And subscribe to the channel. Check out my latest videos. All right. See y'all later, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.